In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you enable or disable the PIN on iPhone 17. Let's get started. This is the code you use to unlock your phone and protect your data, and you can easily turn it on or off anytime. First, launch your settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option Face ID and Passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. Type in that and you'll be directed to this page. Now, if you want to turn off your PIN, simply scroll down and tap on Turn Passcode Off. Then confirm your choice and enter your Apple ID password if required. Once done, your iPhone will no longer require a PIN to unlock. If you want to enable it again, go back to the same section and tap on Turn Passcode On. Then you can set a new passcode. Once you type in that, confirm it, and the new passcode will be set to your device. Just keep in mind, disabling your passcode makes your phone less secure, meaning anyone with access to your device can open it and view your data. So it's always recommended to keep your passcode enabled for better privacy and protection. And that's it. This way you can easily enable or disable the PIN on iPhone 17. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.